Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to discuss behavioral modeling. I choose the simplest circuit. This is the half adder circuit, and its gate level diagram is shown, and this is its block diagram. Inputs and outputs are shown. This is a higher level of abstraction, and we don't need to get a schematic of the circuit or the logic. We replace this gate level schematic with the block diagram. Here we use logic equations irrespective of the internal circuit. The code remains the same, just we add an always block and some other rules for this behavioral modeling. To define some output, we use logical expression sum is equal to A XOR B and C is equal to A dot B. We replace this XOR operator. This will produce the same output, and we don't need to use gate level primitives in this type of modeling. Similarly, for carry, we use dot operator to perform AND operation. This is the full code here. The module start with module keyword and end with module keyword. This is the blocking assignment, and it is enclosed in begin and end statements. Output is always declared as data type. This is the comparison of all three modeling styles. Now, this is EDA playground, and we are going to simulate the same code here. This is the design code, and this is the test bench code. The test bench code remains the same, and you can see the always block here. Let's simulate. Small a, small b, small c, and small s are test bench variables, and it will produce the same output. So I just remove them because waveforms are shown repeatedly. And this is A, B, carry and sum. From 0 to 10 nanosecond, all variables are low. A remains low, B is also low, carry variable is also low, and sum output is also low. Similarly, from 10 to 20 nanosecond, A remains low, B goes high from 0 to 1, carry remains low, while sum goes high in this case. From 20 to 30 nanosecond, A goes high from 0 to 1, B goes low, carry remains low, while sum remains high. Now, in the last, from 30 to 40 nanosecond, both A and B variables are high. Now, carry output goes high while sum goes low. This is A high, B high, A and B both are high, then carry goes high. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.